Hey guys, I wanted to introduce you to a new way of making money, and there are a few quite interesting ways. Now I will be regularly bringing out ways to make money online. So hit the subscribe button and like this video if you like it. So let's have a look. It's called TimeBucks, and then once you sign up you'll have a menu like this, right? And there's different ways. Now I know everybody hates doing surveys, so you don't have to do that. I just signed up and I think I've already got, well, I don't know, what is it, $1 or something. I think you get $1 as soon as you sign up, but let's have a look through some of this. Okay, buy clicks, money available, so down here you've got display banners for, okay, so you can display banners, how to buy referrals to any website, watch the tutorial, try your surveys there, tasks, you've got tasks, you must complete your profile, videos, how to use transfer wires. So look at that, you watch that and you get 0.01 cent, watch this one you get 11 cents, is it? Watch that one you get 11 cents. So you're getting paid to watch videos basically. And then TikTok, what is it? You cannot use this tab without setting up your page. Click here to set up your page. So you set up your page on, I think it's for TikTok page, and they'll pay you for that. Referral, so you can refer people, offer walls. Let's have a look. You know, different offers to you through your mobile phones. AliExpress. You can use this tab to get cash back on items you want to purchase from AliExpress, which is pretty good, guys, because things are very cheap on AliExpress anyway, you know. So you get a mobile phone from AliExpress. Look at this, interior accessories, garden supplies get 4.5%, women's clothing 4.5%. So if you do drop shipping, for instance, you know, you could grab some of these items and then get whatever 4.5% off. Home audio 1% off. Computer peripherals 1.5% off. So you can do that. Get sell link. Oh, I'm already signed up. I'm signed up with AliExpress even before this. Sweepstakes. Entries, so you can put an entry in to get those. Links, what's this all about? Links, how much will I get paid? In this task you get paid to send traffic to links. Okay, send traffic to links. Can't remember that. So you can do that. Can't remember. We will display your estimated revenue as you receive clicks. So there are some of the things like that. I've seen, like, what is it? Fly ads or whatever it is. But I wanted to show you this because it's another way of, you know, are you going to become a millionaire doing this? No, but you know, you can come here. You got some spare time, so you're out and about somewhere and you're waiting for somebody or something. Get onto here, watch a few videos, and get paid. You know, refer people to TimeBucks. Then you've got the usual, like I've shown you here, slideshows. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so there you go. You watch that. Go through at least 7 pages in the slideshow to be credited. Pretty basic stuff, guys. So this offer expires in 4 hours, so it looks like they're totally, you know, doing new stuff all the time. But look at that. I mean, you look at 7 slides, right? And you can do this, and then you don't even have to be watching it. Just go away, click on that, watch it, and you get paid, what is that, 15 cents or whatever. And that's about it. Don't want to make this a long video. It's pretty, you know, if you guys are not signed up with TikTok, go and do that, and I think you will earn a $1 bonus when you set up a page and get your first post verified, limited to one bonus per whole TimeBucks account. Okay, tells you what to do there. If you guys are not on TikTok, now's the time, and get paid $1 to sign up with TikTok. I do all these. Do a few surveys, do a few tasks, do a few sign-ups, do a few referrals, watch videos. What's this offer walls? Did we look at that? Oh yeah. So say let's have a look. Android. And then it'll show you how to use. So I would say you basically download those, play them on your game, and then you get paid. I think we've all seen similar things to that before. So I'll leave a link below for this. TimeBucks, okay?